Namaste everyone. In this video I am going to explain you the concept of LEN formula. That means a formula used to calculate the length of a particular text inside a cell. Or we can say finding the total number of characters inside a cell. Now I have made a list of some of the text values here that contains some of the sentences, some special characters, some of the alphabets, some mixed one, and some numbers. So let me utilize this formula and show you. Equal to LEN. Tab, select this cell and execute. You can see in education we have 9 alphabets or 9 characters. Now let us execute it for others also. Drag it down with the help of filler handle. You got the result like this. Now there is something special which I want to tell you, that this formula is also going to calculate the gaps. That means it is also going to calculate the empty spaces. Here I show you by the example. You can see in this cell, which contains only 2 alphabets, H and N, but it is representing its length as 25. That means beside 2 of the alphabets, there are 23 gaps between these two. So it is calculating one by one all of the gaps, 1, 2, 3, like that up to 23. And finally the 2, 1, and we got the answer 25. So that is how this formula execute, and it execute on everyone. Now this is a 10-digit number, so that's why it is representing it as 10. So I hope you understood the video, the simple formula. If you want me to make more videos on the Excel formulas like this, then appreciate me with the thumbs up and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.